Split a Word document every n pages. Hi, this is Extend Office. Today, we'll learn how to quickly split a Word document every n pages. First, press Alt and F11 keys to open the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window. Click Insert, Module. Enter the code into the module script. Now, click Tools, References. In the pop-up dialog, find and check the Microsoft Script Regular Expressions 5.5 option. And click OK. Finally, click the Run button to run the code. A Browse for Folder dialog box will appear. I have created a folder named for Split Documents. I will select this folder to save the split files and click OK. Another prompt will appear asking for the number of pages you want to split by. Enter the desired page count and click OK. The document will be split into separate files every n pages. Navigate to the specified folder to view the results. Kutools for Word provides a more intuitive solution to split a document. Click Kutools Plus. Split. In the pop-up dialog, from the Split by drop-down menu, select the Every n pages option and specify the number of pages per split. Then, specify the location to save the split files. You can also specify your own prefix for these files. Once done, click OK. And the document is split and saved to the specified folder immediately. To download Kutools for Word, find the download link in the video description or on our website. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.